In this video, I will show you 10 gambling niches to sell shirts and products for print on demand. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just getting started, these niches are sure to give you ideas. Let's get started. Niche number 1, poker. First up, we have poker. Poker is a classic card game enjoyed worldwide, known for its strategy and competitive spirit. It's a great gambling niche for creating bold and witty designs. I'm Just Here for the Pot is another funny design referencing the pot in poker. It features a good illustration with poker chips, perfect for poker enthusiasts who love a good laugh. 2. Blackjack. Next is blackjack, also known as 21. This game is all about beating the dealer with a hand value closest to 21. It's fast-paced and perfect for dynamic, eye-catching designs. "I'd hit that" is a common phrase used for other niches as well. This design has a BSR of 266,708. In this context, it references the action of hitting a hand in blackjack, adding a humorous twist to a classic casino game. Another example is Double Down. It depicts the phrase with a pair of cards conveying the essence of the game in a bold manner. 3. Sports gambling. Moving on to sports gambling. This niche includes betting on all sports events like football, basketball, and combat sports. It's popular among sports fans who love to add an extra thrill to the game. An example of a phrase you could use is "good teams win, great teams cover." This design has a BSR in the 2 millions. It makes good use of typography to make a statement that sports bettors would understand and like. Another design is "This is my lucky parlay shirt." It features a straightforward design that resonates with sports gamblers who believe in luck and like betting parlays. Research that keyword. Number 4, casino. Our fourth niche is the general casino theme. Casinos are synonymous with excitement and glamour, offering a variety of games under one roof. This niche is versatile and broad, perfect for creative designs. A selling design is "I enjoy romantic walks through the casino, straight to the slot machine." This design has a BSR of 554,788. It features a playful and romantic design with casino imagery. Another example is Casino Grandma Slot Machine. It has a fun and colorful design that appeals to older casino enthusiasts. Think of family members and other people you can incorporate into designs. Niche number 5, craps. Next up is craps. This dice game is a staple in casinos, known for its fast action and group play. It's great for creating dice designs. "I don't always play craps. Oh wait, yes I do." This design has a BSR of 2 million. It features dice and humorous text, making it appealing and funny. Another example is Craps Hardway Bets. This design features a list of hardway bets in craps with a stylish layout, appealing to serious craps players who appreciate the intricacies of the game. Number 6, mahjong. Mahjong is a tile-based game that originated in China and has a rich cultural history. It's often played with intricate tiles and requires strategic thinking. Additionally, it's popular for gambling, with many playing the game for high stakes, making it both a social and competitive pastime. A selling design is "Happiness is playing mahjong with the girls." It has a BSR of 682,769. It showcases mahjong tiles and a cheerful message, perfect for women and girl players. This 𝗦𝗏𝗏 design has a lower BSR. It is cross-niched with cats, so that could explain its demand along with the great illustration. 7. Slots. Slot machines are iconic in casinos, loved for their simplicity and the thrill of winning big. This niche can be fun and colorful, ideal for vibrant designs. This Queen of the Slot Machine design has a BSR of 682,769. It features a regal and fun design, perfect for female slot enthusiasts. Another example is "I'd cash out, but I'm not a quitter." It features a humorous phrase with a slot machine graphic, perfect for casino goers who enjoy the thrill of playing to the end. 8. Horse racing. Horse racing is another exciting gambling niche. Known as the sport of kings, it combines elegance with adrenaline. It's perfect for sophisticated and dynamic designs. And "They're Off" is a design with a current BSR of 715,473. It features a dynamic racing horse graphic, highlighting the thrill of the sport. Vintage retro designs always sell great, so consider this style for all 10 gambling niches. Number 9. Bingo. Bingo is a classic game enjoyed by people of all ages, often associated with community and fun. A selling design is, "It's all fun and games until someone yells bingo." It has a BSR of 497,511. It features colorful graphics and playful text, perfect for the bingo theme. The gnome niche is another one that is perfect to cross-niche almost anything with. And niche number 10, Baccarat. Finally, we have Baccarat. This elegant card game is often associated with high rollers and sophistication. It's an excellent niche for classy and stylish designs. Baccarat King, with a BSR in the 4 millions, has a regal yet fun and creative design that appeals to Baccarat players. Another design is, "Work is for people who can't play Baccarat." You can even scale out this design and replace Baccarat with other games. And there you have it, 10 gambling sub-niches for your shirts and products. These are perfect for creating unique and profitable designs. Comment below if you have any questions or comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.
Thanks for watching.